Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your photo in Uber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Account. This takes you into your main account settings where you can manage all your personal details and preferences within Uber. Once you're in the account section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Tap on it to access your profile settings. This is where Uber stores all your personal information and allows you to make changes to how your account appears. After tapping your profile icon, you'll see a menu appear with different options. From this menu, tap on Personal Info. This section contains all the details associated with your Uber account, including your name, contact information, and importantly, your profile photo. Now that you're in the Personal Info section, you can see your current photo displayed on the screen. Right next to your photo, you'll notice a small pencil icon. This is the edit button that allows you to make changes to your photo. Go ahead and tap on that pencil icon to proceed. Once you tap the pencil icon, a new option will appear. Tap on Update Photo. This is the action that opens up the photo selection process, giving you control over which image you want to use as your Uber profile picture. At this point, you'll be presented with two choices for uploading your new photo. You can either use Camera if you want to take a fresh photo right now, or you can choose from Files if you already have a photo saved on your device that you'd like to use. Both options work perfectly fine depending on what's most convenient for you. For this example, tap on Files. This lets you browse through the images already stored on your phone or device, making it easy to pick a photo you're happy with without having to take a new one. Once you tap Files, your device's photo library will open up. Browse through your images and select the one you want to use as your new Uber profile photo. Just tap on the image to select it, and Uber will automatically update your profile with that new photo. And that's it. Your Uber profile photo has been successfully changed. The new image will now appear whenever you use the app or when drivers see your profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.